Okay, do you have a slow draining sink? This is slow. Wow. Bubbles, bubbles. Okay, it's done. Okay, so you go underneath and you put a bucket under it. That's very important. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to unscrew the pipe and you're going to see what's inside your nasty drain, which is probably nasty. Don't get offended, but it's probably nasty. Let's be honest here. Ew! There's like this brown liquid in it. Why is it brown? That's disgusting. It looks like white hairs. Does an elderly person live in this? Okay, so you take off the hair. Make sure you're wearing gloves if you don't. That's disgusting. So there's a lot of dirt, probably like face dirt and like dirty thing. Like that's a lot of hair. Even if you don't have long hair, it's probably disgusting. I didn't think that drains were so dirty. I guess they can get dirty really easy, I guess. Oh, look down that drain. That's disgusting. Okay, our little scrubber thingy again. I guess it should be clean. Okay, there's the white pipe. My magic trick is coming up. I'm a very good magician. You guys, I don't want to know how my drain looks. This is disgusting. This is like the nastiest thing I've ever seen. It's disgusting. See? Okay, wait, that looks way better. That was really easy. I didn't know you could scrub it like that. Oh, see? Now it's fast. Did you see how fast that was? Look, okay, already. Here's another example. Remember how slow it was in the beginning? There's no leaks. Why'd you do that? So...